Hello to all people who is watching this video. I'm going to explain to Cam, I'm going to show step by step how to put up for season 10. Okay, the first thing we need to do is put on the ground a waterproof material under the tent. This is to keep moisture away. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to organize all our tools and accessories to avoid any loss of an important input. We need to unfold the inner ledger, knowing where the door will go. Put up the roots and insert them into the tent. After we have the tent full up, we need to anchor it to the ground with the picks. Okay guys, lastly we need to put the exterior tent for about the filtration water. The next step is anchor the exterior tent as we did with the interior one. Okay guys, the next step is adjust the mattress cam, the sleeping bag and lights to rest well. Okay guys, this was the process to put up a tent. Thank you.